Good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. I meant to start this vlog. Actually, let me rephrase. I started this vlog hours ago. Had a little bit of a mental breakdown, not gonna lie to y'all. Decided I'm not gonna post that. And I'll wait until I'm a little bit more mentally stable to have that conversation with y'all. Doing well here, in case you're wondering. Anyway, no Skippy. Thought I would vlog now. I was determined. I woke up this morning, I was like, let's have a good day. I'm gonna do a weekly vlog. I'm gonna clean, I'm gonna do this and that. Then everything went. But you know what? Even though I might jinx it by saying this, at least my child is asleep right now. Did she wake up at 5 in the morning because of daylight savings? Yes. Anyway, love an unhinged intro here. If you're new here, I'm so sorry. This is not the video for you because I am not okay. Anyway, let me show you what I got from H&M. Just a great transition. Also, this is an energy drink. Okay, let's do an H&M haul. I've been ordering from them a little too much lately. Granted, I don't keep everything that I get from them. It's because the fit can be a little weird, but I need to stop. Anyway, I got a swimsuit. Ask me when I'm gonna wear this. I don't know. But I have no cute, good quality swimsuits. Are all like Staffel or Shein. This one looked cute. Got some blankets. This one looks so beautiful and I love the texture of this with the black and the cream. It's so pretty and it's big, like super big. I'm excited because I wanted to get this from Urban Outfitters and it was like 60 bucks. Literally exact same color. So cute. I think I got a medium. Oh no, small. Their stuff runs so big, y'all. This one, I don't know, because I wanted to get a blanket for my office. Why did I think it was a good idea to get a hot pink blanket? Don't know. But it was calling my name. Oh, it's soft. Ooh. Yeah, I kind of want to keep it. It's very, very soft. This though is so cute. I need to get her some jeans. Ew, what is that? A little Legally Blonde moment. Harvard University. I can't. So this portion of the vlog is sponsored by ShopMissA. I've actually had so many requests from y'all to try out this brand, to do a haul, and I'm so excited for today's video because I've actually been trying out these products for a month now or a little bit more and I actually love them, so I'm so excited to share everything I got with y'all. So in case you've never heard of ShopMissA, they are an online store and they sell everything from lifestyle goodies to beauty, makeup, skincare, and their thing is everything is super inexpensive and affordable. The majority of their items are only $1, and you might think, oh well, there's like terrible quality if they're only $1. No, y'all, I found products that I like better than like Sephora high-end primers. For example, this is a primer. They don't mark up their products a ton and they're still amazing quality, and they have so many fun things that you can find on, like I said, very expensive stores or even Amazon for way less. So I'm so excited to show you everything I got. I'll link them down below. Let me show you. I know next time I travel I'm definitely taking this with me. This is all the eyeshadows I need in a little tiny palette, and the formula, y'all, it's amazing. So this is the AOA Studio Quad. So I noticed when I was like unboxing everything that a lot of their products have little cats on them, and it's because they donate. Part of the proceeds protect animals against abuse. If you know me, you know how much I love dogs, I love animals, so I'm so happy they do that, and they also donate to education programs. I wanted to swatch them, but I did such a terrible job. This one, y'all, is the perfect transition. I love this one for like a pop of color like in the crease, and this is like my go-to under brow and like right here. Amazing. I'm like obsessed with this. I cannot believe the price of this stuff. I got this because it's only $1. I just know in other stores it's way more than that. This is for soaking off gel or even like dip powder polish, and I'm so excited to try it out, especially on my toes once I get them done because it's always a pain to remove. They even have bath bombs for like less than $5, and look how pretty this one is. It has like gold shimmer. Then I tried this out. This is the Argan Oil brush soap. I really needed something to wash my brushes because I never do. And I love that it comes in its own tin and you just wet your brushes, swirl it around, and they're good to go. You can see all the grossness that came out of my brushes. Then I got a few complexion like face products. I got the Pro Wear foundation. This is full coverage. So this one, it is in a lighter shade. I love the bottle. I love that it's like a squeezy type of bottle. However, the shade is pretty light. I suck at choosing my shades online, so I'm gonna save this for the winter when I'm really pale and get a different shade, because this is like perfectly matching my super pale hands. I got the shade Buff in this one. I definitely need to go like at least 2 shades darker, but it is pretty full coverage and it doesn't feel super like powdery or cakey. I already talked about this primer in a favorites video. I have to talk about it again. I actually saw a comment of someone asking me to like show my favorite things from ShopMissA, which is perfect for today's video. Anyway, this is a perfect filter primer. It almost feels and looks like one of those, it wasn't focusing, one of those like silicone based primers that are pore filling, that like smooth out your skin, but without the silicone. It really smooths everything out. My foundation and stuff like go on top like flawlessly, but it doesn't pill up and it's not super drying because I already have dry skin. I'm obsessed with it. I mean, you can see how much I've used. I love it. I use it every single day that I do my makeup. I don't think I can go without it. But for more natural days, I got this one, or like even when I do, I guess like a really cakey foundation, I got this one. This is the hydrating primer, very lightweight, definitely very hydrating though. It feels like almost like a moisturizer, but it's amazing as well. So obsessed with their primers. I cannot wait to try out more makeup stuff from them because everything's so good. I've never had a concealer like this. It is one of those like pot concealers, very full coverage, perfect for blemishes. I actually got the right color to conceal blemishes. This is the color Light Ivory, and it's like a very thick cream, but it blends so well. I feel like I've never gotten concealers like this before because I'm scared they're gonna look super drying on my under eyes, or in my under eyes, on my under eyes, but this one doesn't. So I haven't really used it a ton as an under eye concealer. I've been mostly like spot concealing with it because it's a perfect formula. I'm obsessed with cream products right now, especially blush. This one is the Hush Cream Blush, and this one definitely has like a Vaseline type texture. It's perfect for no makeup days, so you can like blend it and have the coverage be a little lighter. And also like if you blend it with like your finger, a beauty blender, or a brush, like the coverage is different, but it's like the prettiest blush, and when you sweat it doesn't like go everywhere. Obsessed with this. Once again, cannot believe the price. Then I got a brow pencil. This one is in the shade Taupe and it's dual-sided, which is perfect. This is the Slim Brow and it's like the perfect shade, also perfect for doing my fake thing right here that you'll know I like to do. And then I got a lash primer. I was noticing, especially like right here, that my mascara was running. So I got the Skinny AOA Studio Under Lash Primer. It's white. I think it also comes in black, but I like the white one because I can see the coverage, you know what I mean? And I love that it's skinny because I can really get in there. And they also sell a mascara that's skinny like this, so I'm definitely buying that next time. So that's everything I got from ShopMissA. Y'all, I cannot recommend it enough. You really wouldn't expect the quality to be as amazing as it is because of the prices, but I am so impressed with everything. I'm definitely gonna be reordering. You can check them out down below. I'll leave a link to everything I got. And thank you once again to ShopMissA for sponsoring this portion of the vlog. So I now want to show you kind of like the kitchen renovation process for the past week. They actually started last Tuesday and it's Monday today. So I wanted to show you kind of like everything that they've done so far, our plans, the before, I don't want to do like a huge reveal, like not showing you all the process like I did with the laundry room, just because this is going to be way more extensive. I don't know if it'll take that long, but just more of like I want to keep you all up to date rather than just do like a one video type deal. So let me show you that. So you might be wondering, how did we end up in this situation? And let's rewind to a few days ago, last weekend probably, so I can share why I decided to do this to y'all. No, I've been sharing it on Instagram, but I filmed everything in detail, so we are moving forward with the kitchen a little sooner than I thought. Here is our kitchen right now, and as you all know, maybe if you watch my vlogs or know me, I love to cook. I love big kitchens. I love white kitchens, so it was always our plan to like remodel this. Actually, like one of the main things we wanted to do. This kitchen is kind of boxed in, just the shape is a little off and awkward, and there's a ton of storage, which we love, but the spacing is just like a little inconvenient, and we don't have an island or anything because of the layout, but we do have this, which is very nice. So the plan is to actually take this off and turn this into our little island, and the kitchen is going to become an L-shaped kitchen. So this wall right here will be knocked down, and then this whole side of the kitchen will be moved. And right here, I'm sorry for the mess, it will go all like on that wall. Oven and microwave are out of the wall. Let me show you. I just decided to show you all tonight because it's gonna be hard to show you all tomorrow because he's gonna work on it all day. So as y'all can see, all throughout the kitchen there is this like wall. I don't know what else to call that. Like, it's not paneling. Now I want to call everything paneling. Anyway, there's a situation going on, right? So we assume definitely on this side it was AC vent, like at least like until there, right? However, he, as you can see, try to figure out what was going on because there is this wall that comes out right here, and there was a cabinet here, a corner cabinet, and they actually like cut through the cabinet. So we assumed they couldn't get rid of it, and it turns out like our bathroom is right above this roof, this ceiling, whatever you want to call it. As y'all can tell, I don't know how to speak English. The point is, when we had the freeze, like I said, it flooded, and basically he figured once he cut through it that not only like the vent for the microwave was here and they never connected it, but the sewage line runs directly down and into the foundation, so it would be actually impossible for him to move it around without messing with the foundation, and that would just be expensive and a mess. So this has to stay, which in turn means that we cannot like take off this part of the wall, which makes everything kind of awkward. So what we decided to do is add a pantry style cabinet to this side and then cut through the cabinet kind of like they did, but instead of a corner cabinet, it's going to be one of those like long ones, and each shelf he'll just like cut through. That way it hides it and it won't be like super noticeable, because my initial thought was, well, we could always just make like a little island section right here and like take this off and add like the same width and length of cabinet to the other side, and it'll just be like a long cabinet or a long island, but it just didn't really make sense. So now this is gonna work a little better. It's really not ideal because I was really hoping to get rid of that whole thing and have some height, like I wanted higher ceilings, but it's just not gonna work with this kitchen. It's fine. Can't, you know. Here's the thing. It was really hard when we were buying a house to think of these future renovations, because I feel like instead of just getting a house to renovate without thinking, we should have gotten a house that had the bones that we wanted. Even though like maybe it wasn't renovated, this house was renovated in a terrible way, by the way, and it just simply doesn't have the bones, so we can't really work around it, but we're making it work. It's fine. And then, like I said, he is removing this floor, and y'all, I was disgusted. And we're moving the microwave and all that good stuff. He took off some of backsplash. And did I tell y'all that we can't keep this? I think I did. But yeah, that's like the little update. I'm sorry if you can hear water running down. It's definitely my husband showering because the like water line is right there. But I wanted to show y'all a little update from my phone just before I forget. Today they put up some reinforcements for the wall, and they will be, you know, putting up the beams and then cutting whatever's left. So they just put that just for support. It is an older house. And then they started removing the old flooring to put in the new one, which is super, super exciting. Knocking down this wall right here, and then this whole section will become a pantry. I will talk about that later because we actually right now need to finalize like the plans for that. So that is the kitchen update. I've been kind of like trying to organize and clean and move things around. Obviously I cannot do that because literally my pantry threw up all over my house, like all over my house. Our breakfast nook table is over there, which that will be obsolete because we would have bar stools instead, so we won't use that. I have to figure out like Facebook Marketplace to get rid of a bunch of furniture. We have our fridge right here right now just because they needed it out of the way. We have the oven there. I haven't been able to cook like for the past 2 days, but hopefully tomorrow that will be resolved. We had to move the couch, like I said, a hot mess, so it was kind of pointless to try to organize, but I wanted to share a few things that I did in the laundry room that I didn't share with y'all in my reveal video. Holy crap, can I speak? That's everything for today's video. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching if you did. And thank you to ShopMissA for sponsoring this vlog. Stay tuned on Instagram for more kitchen updates. I've been doing polls and actually taking y'all's recommendations. Like for the backsplash, for example, like I chose the one that got the most votes. So definitely follow me on there and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.